the 5 best AI tools for coding. Your ID, cursor blinking, wondering that module, debug that or refactor that messy chunk of code? You're not on the 5 best AI tools for coding, from number 5 to number 1. These tools can help you code faster, smarter, and with fewer headaches. 5. CodeHip. Coming in at number 5 is CodeGPT. This tool plugs directly into environments like Visual Studio Code and gives you powerful code generation, refactoring, and debugging support. The advantage, if you're working in VS Code and need to generate boilerplate, convert comments into functions, or ask for suggestions, it's ready. But the trade-off is you need strong context and oversight. AI won't fully replace your logic or domain knowledge. Ideal user, developers who code frequently and want to boost productivity with a strong assist. ASAI, Gemini Code Assist. Number 4 is Gemini Code Assist from Google. This tool is built for developers who need enterprise-scale coding support, including in-IDE context, cloud integration, and strong model backing. Its major plus, it can work with your codebase context, help you navigate large projects, and offers enterprise-grade features. On the other hand, it may be overkill for small side projects or solo developers, and cost licensing can matter. It's ideal for teams working in large systems, cloud architectures, or multi-module applications. 3. Cursor. At number 3 is Cursor, which positions itself as an AI-powered IDE or editor that goes beyond simple completions. It offers smart rewrite capabilities. You can select code blocks and ask it to refactor or adjust them, and it supports natural language prompts for code edits. Strength is flexibility and innovation, great for developers who experiment, build in less structured ways, or switch languages frequently. The downside, new workflows mean you might spend some time adjusting to the rhythm, ideal for curious developers, polyglots, and those who enjoy evolving their tooling. 2. Windsurf. Runner-up is Windsurf, a tool described as an AI-native EID designed to keep developers in flow. The standout feature, you can prompt the tool at a high level, build an Express API endpoint with authentication and tests, and it generates code, sets up structure, runs tests, and previews results. That means less context switching and more building. A disadvantage, because it's so powerful, it may lead to over-reliance or require a strong oversight for production-grade code. Ideal user, full-stack developers, rapid prototypers, or startups wanting to move quickly without sacrificing quality. 1. GitHub Copilot. Taking the number 1 spot is GitHub Copilot. It's deeply integrated with major IDEs, VS Code, JetBrains, NeoBeam, etc. Understands your context as you code and offers suggestions, completion, and documentation side by side. The advantage, it blends into your workflow so smoothly, you barely notice it's there and really saves you time writing tests, generating functions, suggesting improvements. Its main limitation, like any AI, it's not infallible, so you still need to review and test. Ideal for any serious developer, whether solo or in a team who spends most of their time writing code and wants a dependable daily assistant. Conclusion. So there you have it, the 5 best AI tools for coding. PT at number 5, Gemini Code Assist at 4, Cursor at 3, Windsurf at 2, and GitHub Copilot at number 1. Each one offers different strengths: generation, enterprise scale, flexibility, deep flow, or workflow integration. Choose the one that fits your style, your project size, and how much you want to lean on AI versus manual craft. And don't forget to check the description for tools and helpful links that can make things easier for you. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.